I've been trying out different methods for doing miracle knots, and this one might be the quickest and easiest one yet. I did miracle knots in the front and a half wig in the back, and the hair that I'm using is from CurlsQueen. I used their 3C48 water jerry curly texture in both the crochet hair and the half wig. For this look, I started off on freshly washed and blow dried hair. I split my hair down the middle and I did cornrows in the back, and in the front I'm just sectioning my hair into small braids. And this is where I'm going to be installing the crochet hair. I actually like to use the crochet method whenever I'm doing this, and I'll show you guys that shortly. So this is one of my favorite methods for installing miracle knots, and this is just the crochet method. So I just use my hook to pull the hair through my braid. I pull one side through, then I combine them and pull them back through the other side. And I used about 2 pieces for each braid, and this gave me a nice full look. So I just continued the same process until I was all done with the miracle knots. Then I'm going to show you how to put on the half wig and define the hair. So here is how the front's looking. Now let's go ahead and move on to the half wig. And again, this is from CurlsQueen, and this is their water jerry curly texture. And I have cornrows in the back, so I just took the clips and just clipped it into my braids. And this was a super easy process. It took so much less time than having to, you know, do parts in the back and install the miracle knot. Next, I'm just moving on to defining the hair. So I'm brushing it out. I'm going to wet it a little bit, and then I use some mousse to define it. And this is one of my favorite textures from CurlsQueen. The curls are so pretty, and I love the quality of their hair. And they offer over 9 different textures, so it's super easy to find the one that's perfect for you. Now that I'm done in the back, I'm pretty much going to do the same thing to the miracle knots, except I just wanted to do some layers in the front. So I just took some scissors and just kind of cut it at an angle. Then I'm going to go in and define these curls as well. So now that I'm all done with both front and back, I'm just going in with some gel to lay my edges and just kind of style the hair. And I usually go for a middle part, but I decided to switch it up today and do a side part, and I love how it looked. And here's the finished look. This turned out so freaking cute. I absolutely love this style, and it was super easy to do. It saved me so much time by doing the miracle knots in the front and then the half wig in the back. It took me less than 2 hours to get this look, and the best part is that you can take the half wig off at night and then just throw it back on in the morning when you're getting ready to leave the house. So a super flexible hairstyle, and I love these curls. This water jerry curly texture from CurlsQueen is just pretty, and I love this kinkier texture with the miracle knots. I feel like it gives it such a different look and it's so cute. Definitely check out CurlsQueen. I'll have all of the information in my description box. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.